Hi friends, my name is Tanakirti. PowerPoint presentation on structure of the nucleus. First, let's learn about the nucleus. What is nucleus? The nucleus is a membrane-bound structure that contains the cell's hereditary information and controls the cell's growth and reproduction. We may get doubt what is meant by cell's hereditary. It is also known as inheritance, is the passing on of traits from parents to their offspring. Now let's learn some important points on nucleus. Nucleus is a Latin word meaning kernel. Kernel means the central or the most important part of a cell. It is the control center of the cell. Nucleus is also known as the brainhouse of the cell as it holds the information needed to conduct most of the cell's function. History of nucleus. Nucleus is discovered by Robert Brown in 1831. He told it plays a key role for fertilization and embryo development. Fertilization means fusion of male and female gametes, and embryo is an early stage of development of a multicellular organism. Now let's learn about structure of the nucleus. This is the structure of the nucleus. There are 5 main parts in the nucleus. They are nuclear pore, nuclear envelope. Nuclear envelope is also known as nuclear membrane, nucleolus, chromatin, nucleoplasm. Now let's learn about them in detail. First one, nuclear pores. The nuclear envelope is perforated with holes called nuclear pores. Here perforated is nothing but made. These pores regulate the passage of molecules between the nucleus and cytoplasm, permitting some to pass through the membrane but not others. Building blocks for building DNA and RNA are allowed into the nucleus as well as molecules that providing the energy for constructing genetic material. Second one, nuclear envelope. Nuclear envelope is the double layer membrane enclosing the nucleus of a eukaryotic cell. The nuclear envelope has pores that allow the passage of materials into and out of the nucleus, also called as nuclear membrane. What does the nuclear envelope do? It serves as the barrier. Barrier means a fence or other obstacle that prevents movement or access. In Telugu we say addanki, between the cell cytoplasm and the materials inside the nucleus. Monitors the substances leaving and entering the nucleus. Third one, nucleolus. The nucleus is a membraneless organelle within the nucleus that manufactures ribosomes, the cell's protein producing structure. Through the microscope, the nucleolus looks like a dark spot within the nucleus. A nucleus may contain up to 4 nucleoli, but within each species the number of nucleoli is fixed. After a cell divides, a nucleolus is performed when chromosomes are brought together into nucleolar organizing regions. During cell divisions, the nucleolus disappears. Fourth one, chromatin. Chromatin is a mass of genetic material composed of DNA and protein that condense to form chromosomes during eukaryotic cell division. Chromatin is located in the nucleus of our cells. And the last one, fifth one, nucleoplasm. The nucleoplasm is a highly viscous liquid. Viscous means having a thick, sticky consistency that surrounds the chromosomes and nucleoli, similar to the cytoplasm of a cell. Many substances such as nucleotides and enzymes are dissolved in the nucleoplasm. Conclusion. From the aforesaid presentation, we can conclude that each organelle in the nucleus plays a crucial role in controlling the activities of cell. Thank you.